All right, so on the previous page, we talked about what a quadratic equation looks like, and we discussed a little bit about the x and the y intercepts. Now on this page, we're going to talk about all sorts of things with these graphs, because there's a lot of things you can do with them. This page, we're going to be talking about the vertex. Okay, and the vertex is the highest or lowest point of a parabola. So if you notice on these parabolas, they make a U shape. Okay, whether it's right side up U shape or an upside down U. The vertex is going to be that point where it turns around and goes back the other way. Okay. Now remember ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay. If the leading coefficient is greater than 0, the parabola is going to open up. So the vertex is going to be a minimum. So that means it's going to go down and then turn around and come back up. If the leading coefficient is less than 0, it's going to go down. It's going to open down. So the vertex is actually a maximum. So it'll go up and then turn around and come back down. Okay. So that's if the coefficient of the x squared is positive, it opens up. If it's negative, it opens down. All right. So in example 3, we're going to identify each vertex. So if you look at A, where would the vertex be on this graph? We see the turnaround point is right there. So that would be at 1, -2. And is that a minimum or a maximum? That's going to be a minimum because that's the lowest the graph will go. How about B? Where's the vertex on B? Right, that would be this point right here, which is -2, 4. And is that a minimum or a maximum? It's a maximum because it goes up and then turns around and comes back down. And then this one, where would the vertex be? The vertex is going to be right here, so that's at the point 4, 3. Is that a minimum or a maximum? It's a maximum. So just a little bit of practice, okay, with graphing the equations. You're going to try graphing some of these quadratics. So do a table of values, an XY table, and then I'd pick some X values. Like I'd pick what we did on the first page, -2, -1, 0. Pick enough X values so that you can actually see the U shape, like you did on the first page. Okay. So take a moment to do that. Now this last part, doing the X and Y intercepts. This would be a great SOL question. You can see it's probably a drag and drop. We plotted the X and Y intercepts on the graph shown. So if we look at the X intercepts, that's these 2 points here. Okay, what are my 2 X intercepts? Well, over here I have -2, and over here I have 6. So my 2 X intercepts are going to be -2, 0, and 6, 0. What's my Y intercept? That's going to be over 0, down 3, so 0, -3.